What is up, guys? It is top of the morning. The MR2 is looking clean. Today we're about to head over to a Cars and Coffee. This is probably my favorite part of the MR2. I love the backside of it. And these are the Koki taillights. They came from 93 and up, and I love these. These are very valuable. Last night I did realize that my exhaust is coming loose somewhere right there, and you can slightly hear a small leak.
So we're going to Good Times today, and we're gonna go check out some cars. Then we're gonna go to Pilates. Well, I'm going to Pilates.
You went last week for the first time, right?
It was my first class since having Zoya and Lino. So it's December, and it's looking pretty December outside.
Real fun. But we'll see you at the car meet, guys. We made it successfully.
We didn't lose any bolts.
We still got 4. Hey, it's LAPD. Got here early and we're actually seeing some nice cars. It's a slant nose, so you see how the headlights actually come up like the MR2s, and then the nose is like slanted. This thing's sick.
Next car is a Porsche.
Ladies and gentlemen, you heard it here first. The next car is a Porsche. Now we're talking. This is definitely a Euro spec E36 wagon. This is nice. Babe, would you drive a wagon?
Yeah, it has more space.
More space for extra activities, right?
Yep.
You think they rode with the top down?
Probably got here rolling down.
Look, you got a chili. This is more like you, babe, right here. This little Mini Cooper is definitely you.
Now you can lie.
Blue wheels on the Porsche is so good. C63 gang, or E55. I don't know my Mercedes. I'm not a Mercedes type of guy. Monique asked if we look this little. We look that little. That's how little we look driving around in here. Now this is nicely done. Check out the interior. I'm all for it. I love it. E92 M3 in black. Looks so good. Full race mode. Yeah, I wonder if they track it. Look at this fitment. I'm all for meaty tires, guys. All for meaty tires. This looks so good. A little right-hand drive Mini Cooper for...
Can you stop with the Mini Cooper?
A little RWB action. Really found your car this time. Yeah. The clown shoe. It's called the clown shoe.
Why is this supposed to look like clown shoes?
Because it looks like a clown shoe. I like, very nice, very nice.
You're like, oh yeah, babe, I found your car. There it is.
No, because that's still not you. I'm trying to find you, but I know where you are at. We gotta find it. I don't even know what kind of car this is. I've never seen it in my life. A Cerbera? Cerbiva? TVR? Whoa. All leather interior. Sick. It's like from the UK or something, right?
Wow, it's like a factory like show car engine bay, like shaved bay. So they come this way?
Check out the headrest, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's that V8. Okay, the Mercedes wagons are deep. V8 twin turbos. Imagine getting walked by a wagon. It can happen, guys. This one right here, though. Whew. From that to that. 4-door E36. Fake taxi. This, look at the interior. Oh yeah, this thing is low. Okay, babe, this is me.
I know. I have it in my notes, you guys.
This is me, right here.
GT for your RS. And then it's perfect because RS, that's you.
Yeah, you see, it's me. RS, get it? RS. Yep, she knows the drill. She knows what she's gonna get me one of these days. With a bow on it.
What color?
Huh?
What color?
Anything besides black. Look how low they are. Oh my gosh.
You showed me that there were seats in the back of this car.
Yeah, but this one got a roll cage. Full race car spec, baby.
Okay.
The homie Julian's car. Always top down for Julian.
Is it like a smoked color?
Oh no, I like it though. It's like a smoked dark gray color. Hey, he drives this thing a lot. He put miles on this for sure. I like this truck. Fat tires. Lifted. Oh, American muscle, baby. Holla.
I know that's not you.
I can't see this. But I'm all for JDM spec wheels on a German car. This looks so fire right now. I don't think the video does it justice. This looks fire. If we had one of these, we'd be driving it everywhere. Check this thing out. Hey, you got a helmet on. Oh, I love this.
That's my dad's vibe.
Yeah, this Prelude is so clean. This thing is mint. Everyone is stopping to check this car out. Oh my goodness. Hey, he did bend the flap though. This is yours?
Yeah.
It's so nice. What year?
Oh my god, it's still with my mud flaps on the parking space.
Dicks, wow. Looks so good.
I'm gonna move it forward.
Yeah. How long have you had it?
5 or 6 years.
Nice.
I wanted one new, but I couldn't afford it.
Yeah.
This thing is clean.
It's pristine.
Sorry, mud flap.
Love it.
Thanks.
Love it. Did you find it here in California?
No, it's a Pacific Northwest car, which is
Ah.
why it survived, I think, as well as it did.
Yeah.
So it was like 49 years old when she bought it, and she kept it the rest of her life. She was still driving it to go downhill skiing, manual, downhill skiing, when she was 88 years old.
Is it in this condition when you got it, or you
cleaned it and polished it and you know, done a lot of detailing and stuff, but it's original.
Alright, so here's our MR2 right there. Definitely got some work to do on it, but it's gonna clean up real nice. I guess we do look really low to the ground. I love this color. It's just so moody. You know what I mean? It's like so classic.
It's giving beige mom with a beige outfit, the 944. You're set.
It's not my choice of color, but I feel like.
But do you like it though?
Oh yeah.
The 944 is getting more popular and popular than before. I like it. You don't really see a brown car. More Porsches. There's low-key a lot of cars here. The turnout was great. The Integra with the J's Racing wing.
Like the spot, the location for this place is great because like there's so many, like there's so much room for all the cars to park.
Yeah, check this out. This is legit. It's a dump truck. Hey, ultimate camping machinery right there. Feels so different going out without your kids once you have them. It's a weird feeling. If you're a parent, put it in the comments. Does it feel weird when you leave the house without your kid?
Okay, so another background story. Another reason why we decided to get the MR2 was because, you know what, this would be a nice little parents' night out or a parents' date night car. I feel like the most important thing in a relationship when you do have kids is your relationship. It's like one of the first things that you should be taking care of alongside obviously your kids. But if you're not taking care of your relationship, your base at home is not, you know, it's not doing good.
Yeah,
so
it ain't grounded, you know? That's a good, man, you words of wisdom early in the morning with no coffee. Say what?
Right? I'm trying to figure out what all this jumping is, but I already know what it is.
What is it?
It's the shocks.
These shocks are gone, guys.
We need to take care of a lot of things on these cars. First and foremost, these shocks because they are shot.
Ow! I can't be going too hard because I'm missing a bolt on the exhaust, so we're just cruising.
He's missing bolts on the exhaust. He's missing bolts on the wheels. Aren't you missing bolts on the wheels?
Man, this car is just boltless. It's missing all types
Don't say
of
that.
bolts.
Oh my gosh, no. Y'all want to know the music vibes to this car? We don't listen to this when the kids in the car.
Are you ready for Pilates?
I am, and it's freezing.
She's from LA now, guys.
I am.
We've lost her. She's no more an East Coastian. She's a Western.
It's cold degrees. It's 57 degrees.
I don't even know what Pilates is. I'm curious to just see.
Ready to transform your body?
We're gonna see if she's gonna be smiling like that after the workout. She's gonna be crying.
I won't be smiling like this.
Did you hear me?
I heard you from afar. My ears are good, babe.
You feel good?
That was a good workout.
We're gonna get a bite to eat. You wanna drive?
No. I think we should wait until we start getting home.
All right, cool.
We're gonna grab food. We're in downtown LA and I'm not trying to.
She's not trying to drive. She's not trying to
Reese already
drive.
stalls out.
I already stall out, so I know she's gonna stall out.
Yeah. It's been a really long time since I drove a stick shift. Reese had, what car did, what
I had
car
an
was
Audi
driving?
A4.
It was the A4?
Yes.
It was the Audi that I did that in?
Yes, you did that nonsense in that car.
I blanked out when I was in the Audi. I was just hanging out in the car. I was in the driver's seat thinking I was like, oh yeah, I got this. Put the e-brake down. That thing started rolling back. I blanked out that I could not even like press the brake and stop, pull the e-brake, nothing. I went straight into the street, into the neighbor's yard. Yeah, it was bad.
This is the location.
How's that just right here?
Onion is so good.
Yeah, put that on
I
there.
love pickled onions.
So bad news. MR2 has broken down. Took it out once, it's already broke. Hear me out. The exhaust was hanging off of just one bolt. We're about to go fix it. Let me show you guys. So you see the exhaust? It's literally just hanging. It was hanging off of that one bolt. When I was driving, I told Monique, I think there might be an exhaust leak. Got home, jacked the car up. After putting the kids to bed, there's an exhaust leak. So we're just gonna buy some more bolts, put it in there. So we're back. Got some new bolts and washers and everything. So hopefully this thing never comes off again. As soon as you get into the car scene, there's always something going on with your cars, no matter what. My Beamer, I fixed some oil leaks, and guess what? Oil leak presented itself. So it's just a non-ending battle, guys. Is a car ever finished? All right, there's one. All right, so the moment of truth. Will there be a leak? And I can already tell the difference. There was definitely a leak present before I got the car, for sure. Now it sounds a lot better, guys. Let me jack this bad boy up. A little quick sound check for you guys. If you guys stayed along this far, I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe to the channel, turn your notification bells on.